Hey, this is Roderick Carter with howtoUseRadioDJ.com. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use the recorder on version 2003. On that version, it is built into Radio DJ. It's up at the top, right up here where the play and pause and next and loop are. It's this button right here. And all you have to do is hit that button and it will be recording. Now, maybe we need to suggest to him some indicator somewhere to let us know that we are recording so we don't forget. As you can see, I have it. It looks a little highlighted. That lets me know that it's recording. You can set that in the color scheme settings. To stop recording, you just simply press it again and it stops recording. And as you notice, it goes back to its normal color. The recorder does not have any settings other than where the recording goes. You cannot set the bit rate or sample rate. It is a predefined sample rate and bit rate of 128. I think it's 44 kilohertz at 128 kbs, and it is an MP3 file. You do not have the ability to change that. Now, how do I determine where this thing records to? Well, you're going to go to options, which is the little wrench down here in the bottom right corner, and then go to options again. And then you're going to go to other settings. And right in the middle of other settings is the word recording and then recording folder. So you can click on the search and go place the where you want it to record to. Now, the other plugin also allows you to have a prefix to the beginning of the recording. I don't believe I have not seen anywhere where I could do that. So that's gone. Also, I mentioned that you can use the event scheduler to turn this thing on and off so you can automate it. So you would just simply go to the events, click on new event. When you click on the plus green sign, you're going to notice under the playback section, you have the ability to start recording and stop recording. So let's try this. I'm going to start recording. I'm going to add that. Then I'm going to add a wait. And we're going to wait 15 seconds. And then we're going to add a stop recording. So we have a start recording, wait 15 seconds, and then stop recording. So if I wanted to record a 30-minute show that comes on every Friday at 7:30, I will set this for that time, and I will start the recording. I will set it for 30 seconds times. 60 seconds. I would set it for 60 seconds times 30 minutes to get that total number of seconds, and then I would do a stop recording. And we'll call this record test. And we're going to do 10:04 and add that to our event window. So you see it flashing, it's counting down when it's going to record. As you can see, I don't know if it's going to show. A record button is black in the background. Okay, boom, there it is. Now it is highlighted and I can see that it's recording. We said 15 seconds. So at 10:04:15, this thing should cut off. And there it is. Perfect, like clockwork. And that is how you record in Radio DJ. And then, of course, you can go to the folder where it recorded it, and there it is right there. Look at the properties of that, and it should be the details. See, it's 15 seconds long. Exactly. And there's the bit rate of 128K. MP3. And the file name, of course, has the word recording as the prefix, the date with this month, day, month, year, and the time that the recording started. All right, and I hope that has helped you understand how to use the recorder in version 2003. Don't forget, you can sign up for other free tutorials on how to use RadioDJ.com. I cannot put them all here because of copyright issues. But I will put, the new videos, I will put them on YouTube as well as on the site. You can sign up for free and look at those videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I have new videos. And also click on the notification icon when you subscribe as well. This is yours truly, Mr. Roderick Carter. Thank you guys. Hope it helped.